Do you want to create ambient sound effects for a forest scene? I'll show you how in seconds. Krotos Studio has a perfect preset for this. Here you have the footage of a stream in a forest that needs sound. Let's start by bringing some of the wildlife sounds in and some of the stream. As we get closer with the camera, we can increase the stream sound, maybe add some wind, and increase some of the animal sound. You can get really unique results by tweaking the XY pad. Once you're happy with the result, turn off autoplay, just drag and drop the bounce into an empty audio track, and voila, it's done. All the sounds included in Krotos Studio are completely royalty-free and free from copyright issues. Feel free to use them in any of your projects. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on Krotos Studio. See you soon!